and I'm here to review my favorite TV show, The Great British Bake Off. Known as the Great British Baking Show in America for copyright reasons, it is a British reality TV show focused on amateur bakers. A typical season consists of 10 episodes, with 12 bakers in the first episode. A baker is eliminated at the end of each episode, except for the finale, where the final 3 bakers compete to see who will be determined Britain's best amateur baker. Each episode is formatted with an introduction, signature bake, technical bake, and showstopper. For the introduction, judges Paul and Prue, as well as hosts Noel and Matt, will throw together a little sketch of sorts to introduce the theme of the episode. For the signature bake, bakers will bake a fairly regular dessert or other baked good that is similar to something they would bake at home. For the technical bake, Paul and Prue leave the tent and bakers are judged blindly. They take off the towel over their ingredients, not knowing what they will have to bake. Then, within the time limit, they must figure out what to do with the minimal instructions given to them. Paul and Prue then come in and blindly rank the bakes from worst to best. For the showstopper challenge, bakers bake a large dessert or other baked good that is something a bit more special than they would usually do. It typically involves more parts, sculpting, decorating, and the like. After that, Paul and Prue go to discuss who will be awarded Star Baker and who will be eliminated. Eliminations are on a week-to-week basis, so it is possible for someone to win Star Baker one week and then get eliminated the next. For the finale, at the end, bakers' families, as well as previous contestants, get to come and eat what they have made. It's a very wholesome show, very kind. Bakers will help each other out, quite different from American reality TV. It is available on Netflix and PBS. Highly recommended.